Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Brashley. Tonight we're going to be making some chicken parm with some zoodles.
When the moon hits your eyes like a big pizza pie, that's amore. What? You don't like this song? Okay guys, so we're gonna learn, we're gonna learn three things today. We're gonna learn why you should buy organic chicken, and we're gonna teach you how to actually cook it evenly and thoroughly. Thank you, honey. We're gonna teach you how to make your own homemade tomato sauce. You don't have to buy that store-bought junk. And everybody keeps talking about Zoodles. But no one's showing you how to actually make them. They're super simple, so we're gonna show you how to make some Zoodles. Alright guys.
Also guys, as always,
okay.
sorry, you want the mic or do I have the mic?
You have the mic. You have the conch.
As always, if you like what you see here, please subscribe. If you don't like it, leave a comment. We don't know. We'd love your feedback.
Definitely would love the feedback.
On with the show!
On with the show. I like the enthusiasm today, baby. Ready? Oh, no. Okay, we're gonna start off. We're gonna get our tomato sauce going, okay? So just like that, voila, tomatoes are cut. Our tomatoes are ready to go in our saucepan. We have a little bit of heat going on here with a little bit of butter. Well, actually, a lot of grass-fed butter, okay? So I'm gonna get this tomatoes, voila, just like that. We're gonna have that on about medium heat. Well, have that on a little bit of higher heat. We're gonna sweat those tomatoes down. And while we're doing that, while I'm stirring that down, Ash, can you actually cut me up some garlic? So we have some, what kind of garlic was that?
This is Georgian, oh, thank you.
Yeah, cool.
Georgian fire garlic. So there's a market down the street from where we live, and we tend to get a lot of our produce fresh for the week every Saturday. This garlic, Georgian fire, is going to be very strong. Alright guys, so the garlic's chopped, and we're going to put it into the sauce now.
Okay, so our sauce has been simmering for about 5 to 10 minutes now, okay? So we got a bunch of we got some grass-fed butter in there, and we got some San Marzano tomatoes. Ashley's gonna add that garlic in. I'm gonna give that a quick little stir, okay? And quickly, this sauce is only 4 different ingredients, okay? We have grass-fed butter, we have San Marzano tomatoes grown organically from
my dad's garden.
Dad's garden, right? So we know where they're from. We got some basil that's grown from our garden. We have some nice, what would you call it? Georgian fire garlic.
Georgian fire!
4 ingredients, guys, super simple to make. And you know what you're getting. You don't have any shitty preservatives like that store-bought crap. Can I say crap?
You just said shitty, so I mean, I guess you can.
And it doesn't have a bunch of sugar in it, okay? So if you flip that over and you take a look at the ingredients list, you're gonna see that most tomato sauces have a ton of sugar. This has got no sugar, so make your own sauce, okay? Let's do it. Next thing's next. We have to do our chicken. Okay, so we're gonna let that simmer. Now for my chicken, guys, I wanna make sure that I'm not gonna use the cutting board that I'm gonna use for my vegetables. Everybody knows that, right? So usually I like to use plastic, okay? Because chickens, oh no, they can wash this off plastic. It's a little less porous than our wood, okay? Now, I have Yorkshire.
Quick hand wash.
So I have Yorkshire Valley organic chicken. Now the reason I bought organic chicken, right, because organic chicken has to be humanely raised. It doesn't have any antibiotics or crappy hormones in it, right? So they haven't been brought up in a
cage.
Yeah, a crappy cage, right, where there's more chance for disease and salmonella and bad crap. And you know what?
You said crap.
Sorry, what?
You give them the free
My show, it's our show, we can do it. Okay, so you make sure you want to buy organic chicken. You're not gonna regret it. You're gonna thank me. So I'm gonna cut that open. I'm gonna show you a quick trick at how we're gonna cook this evenly and a lot quicker when you're doing chicken parm. Chicken parm, you don't want a big fat piece of meat like this. You want to either stop it. Okay, you want to either take some parchment paper and pound that baby out. Or if you don't want to do that, if you want to actually make your chicken go a longer way, if you have 4 people, four people, it's been a long day, okay? If you have 4 people, little trick, okay? I'm going to take this guy out here, I'm going to take my knife, I'm just going to cut it in half, okay? So right along that meaty part there, I cut it in half, just like so. Okay, I've created 2 chicken breasts. No one will know the difference. And it's a little bit thinner, okay? It's a little bit thinner, so it's gonna cook more evenly, and it's gonna cook a lot faster. Little chicken cutlets, okay? So basically, I have my 4 chicken breasts here, nice and thin, guys. We're gonna just fast fry these on both sides, okay? So Ashley's she's gonna put this pan on high, okay? We're gonna get some butter on there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our chicken and we're gonna place it on there both sides for about 2 minutes, okay? So we'll be right back. Okay guys, welcome back. So our chicken is grilling, it's almost done, but we got one more secret ingredient for the sauce, okay? We got that fresh basil, we're gonna get that in there now. Okay, I'm gonna leave a little bit for when we put this together again. Ash, you wanna get that stirred up?
Yep.
Well, Ash stirs that sauce up. I'm gonna get this chicken into our pan, okay? Voila. Okay, big roasting baking pan. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get some sauce and I'm gonna put it right here. Just maybe 1 spoonful. Ashley, if you don't mind, you don't mind. Okay, 1 little line just like so. Okay, just to wet the pan so we don't burn the pan. Okay, you get that back there. Now when you cook it, sometimes you gotta move fast, right? You gotta move fast when you move with me, right? Okay, we're gonna get this chicken. Ah! I'm just kidding. Okay, chicken. Okay. Oh, baby, look at that. That looks good. Okay, put that like this, just like so. Okay, guys, we're gonna put this together. So our chicken's not completely cooked yet. Just nice grill marks on that. I'm gonna place it just like so, like that. Oh, that's looking pretty delish. Not bad. Okay, just like that, guys. So Ash, put a little bit more sauce on top of there. Okay guys, this is gonna go in the oven at 350 for about 25 minutes. Presentation is key here.
Good hand.
Okay, so that's good, hon. We'll do that. And what we have here is some beautiful mozzarella cheese. Okay, I'm gonna take this mozza. Okay, it's in the big ball, the big buffalo mozzarella. And then we're just gonna cover that chicken. Now, my good? My idea. I'm gonna take this guy.
Into the oven with you.
Into the oven we go.
Just like so.
Okay guys, we'll be right back to show you how to make zucchini noodles. Hey guys, welcome back. So, our next step, our chicken is baking in the oven right now. Okay, it's gonna be delicious. That sauce smells amazing, huh? Now we're gonna make some.
We're gonna zoodle our noodles.
Okay, so we're gonna actually show you how to make zoodles, and this is so freaking easy, okay? Okay, just gonna cut the ends off here, just like so. Actually wash that for me, thank you. This is what you call a spiraler.
A zoodler.
A zoodler. You can use carrots, you can also make carrot noodles, but we like to use zucchini noodles. So, there's a thin end, or a thick end. Ash likes the thick end, okay? So, this is all you do. Seriously, watch this. Just shush. Okay? So all you do, spin in circles. I like to cut it off. If you just keep going, it'll just make long noodles. So I like 1, 2. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay, and then cut it off. So you see how we're doing this? Boom. Spin it in. Oh, nice. Okay? Just like so. You keep going till the whole thing's done. What we're gonna do with this, once we're done, you can eat them raw if you like, or what I like to do is I like to put them in a double boiler and steam them for about 2 minutes, just to take some of that water out, okay? Well, actually, it's just so it tastes better, really. But you can eat them raw too, right? If you eat them raw, they probably got a little bit more vitamins and minerals in them. You don't waste that. Okay?
And it's way better than eating pasta.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's just it, guys. When we eat Zoodles, we're not eating that crappy refined pasta that's gonna make us feel bloated and crappy, even though it is sometimes delicious. right? Okay, so we'll keep doing this and we'll come back to you when we're done. Okay, we'll see you in a bit. Our food is pretty much done, so our chicken is ready to come out. Anna, you check that out. Okay, our sauce, our extra sauce has been cooking up. Check that out. Nice and thick now. Oh yeah. So check this chicken out. Check my chicken out. Okay, it's got a nice little brown on top there. What we're gonna do to finish this off, Ash can have a plate. I'm gonna take a little bit of Parmesan cheese, okay? Sprinkle that on top of there, 'cause I can't go wrong with cheese, okay? So we're gonna plate. Ash, can you give me a little tweezer or the tongs? Tweezers,
I
please.
just spit everywhere.
Okay, so I'm gonna take some of my raw zucchini noodles, just like so. Okay, I'm gonna put some of that extra tomato, that homemade tomato sauce on top, just like so. I say just like so.
Oh
my god, it's killing
so
me.
much.
Okay, just like so. I'm gonna sound like an idiot. Chicken on top. A little bit more sauce, okay, for the girls, and a little bit of basil on top. Finish it off with a whole sprinkle of parm, and we're done, baby.
Bon appetit!
Okay, crazy. Let's eat. Okay, see you guys.